Our customers are looking for a new way to be able to put air in their tires, make sure that they're safe, and check for either summer or winter reasons. And this gives them the ability to pull up to a tire gauge and be able to handle all their servicing needs for their tires all in one spot by setting the actual pressure that they want in the tires. Makes it very simple, no required tire gauges. The system itself is able to maintain and produce the results that we really look for, and customers are extremely satisfied using the product. Now we've got a system that customers really see an added value to and are willing to pay for it. What I see as unique with the Excel tire gauge system is the ability to offer our customers a signature category, would you call it, in a servicing a tire type of experience. Normally our customers tend to be extreme repeat customers. It's a simple process. The systems are very well made, but it does give us a differentiated offering that really, I think, sets us apart from our competition and really gives us the ability to go above and beyond for our customer needs. Excel Tire Gauge has been a great partner to work with. They understand what we have to deal with in the industry. They understand the urgency to have equipment serviced and up and running as fast as possible. They understand how easy it is to lose a customer and how difficult it is to make a new customer.